welcome to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today is something a little bit special, a little bit different. I'm going to be opening up this 7.5 foot tall Yorkshire fir tree. It's supposed to be like a Christmas tree where you just open it up and you set it up and it's like done. Let's check it out. The first thing it comes with are these like gloves. Oh my, it is really heavy. First piece out. This right here is the second piece. The third piece. There's the stand. These gloves are actually used to protect your hands, so I'm actually gonna put them on now. Oh wow, they're like heavy duty. These are designed to be used to shape the tree and different stuff like that. So, to protect you from getting cut and stuff. We are taking the bottom of A, putting it into the hole. And they said it shouldn't be like super difficult. It should slide right in. And then, oh, there it is. And then you can tighten it at the bottom. Ooh, and it's already lit. It's not fully done yet. We just need to twist one of these and basically make it full. Like for example, just pulling this out, up. All right, it's starting to look a lot more full now that a lot of them have been separated and spread out a little bit. So yeah. So if you found that helpful and you would like to also get this tree for yourself so you don't have to light your tree anymore this year, go ahead and check out the link below. And for more product reviews, continue subscribing or continue watching for more videos. And please do subscribe if you haven't yet. Comment with what you think about this. Was it easy? Was it difficult? Would you get this? Would you not? And why? And I definitely want to hear your thoughts on this tree. And thank you so much for watching. All right, I'll see you in the next video. And Merry Christmas. Bye.